How to increase max volume on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the sounds and haptics option. Here, scroll down and tap on the headphone safety option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for reduce loud sounds. Or you can also adjust the decibel limit. Also, make sure your volume limit is set to maximum. So go back and tap on the volume limit option you see there and set it to maximum. Now, go back to settings homepage and scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and then tap on the music option. Here you will see the option for EQ. So go ahead and make sure EQ is selected to late night or bass booster, as these boost volume perception. Now, go back to music homepage and then toggle off the toggle button for sound check, and now go back to settings and make sure that many apps such as Spotify, YouTube have their own volume sliders, so make sure the in-app volume is maxed in addition to iPhone's system volume. Now in settings again, tap on accessibility and then on audio and visual option. Further, make sure the toggle button for mono audio is toggled off and scroll down to the balance tab and make sure balance is centered. Also, if you are using wired or Bluetooth headphones, then iOS may limit the volume, so you can try to disconnect and reconnect headphones after maxing system volume. So these were a few ways on how you can increase max volume on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.